Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about HTML quotations. So we have many types of elements for writing these quotations. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code and we will learn what are the different types of elements we have in this HTML. And these are mainly used whenever it is going for search engine optimization or whenever you are using a screen readers. These type of elements are very useful. Even we can achieve some of them without these elements, but it is recommended to use these elements at specific sections. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code now, and here we can see a block quote. Let's talk about a block quote. Block quote is something like whenever you are getting some data from some external content, or if you want to post some note or an important message, then you can use this type of quotations, that is block quote. So how this block quote works, let's see that. So now what I'll do is I'll write a paragraph where the paragraph is I am having a note for YouTubers. So something like this. And what I want to do is I want to write some set of content. Let me write the content without a block quote. So YouTubers are awesome to manage content and creativity is too high, something like this, and save this. So what will happen now? Let me go here, let me reload. Now you are seeing two lines in the same sequence. I want to add a space. By using block quote, we can add a space in front of each and every line, and without managing anything, it will add the space, that is a tab space. Let me go here and reload. Now you can see this has been moved a bit, and if you write multiple lines, and even that works with block quote. For example, I'm breaking this by using a BR tag, and what I'll do is there creativity makes fame and name. Save this and go here, just reload. Now the second line also started the same way how the first line started. That means whatever you are mentioning inside the block quote, that will be in the same lines. So that's how your block quote will be helpful. So this block quote is used whenever you want to get some external content from other side and you are putting in your side, then it is recommended to use block quotes. Now what we will do is we will learn one more thing, something like a quote. So for example, I want to have a paragraph and I have something like, hi, this is Sai Kumar. So like this I want to add. So Sai Kumar, I want to put it in the quotations. So let me go here and just reload. Now you can see the quotations. But what I want to do is I don't want to put these quotations manually, because that should be good to have in a tag format, that is nothing but a Q tag. Q tag indicates small quotations. So let me put this Sai Kumar inside the small quotations, that means small Q tag, and just say reload. You can see there is a quotation mark happened over here. Let me zoom it and you can see a quotation, and this quotation is different from the quotations whatever we kept. So that's how we can use this particular quotations tag whenever you want to quote a particular content. So that's about your quotations. And let me go with the next one, that is BDO, bidirectional override. So what is this bidirectional override? For example, I gave BDO, bidirectional override, and I wrote something like Sai Kumar Kurtivada and save this. Let me go here and reload. Now you saw that Sai Kumar Kurtivada, but there is an attribute which will help us to reverse complete string by using BDO tag. There is an attribute called as direction. So dir, that will be helpful to make your direction left to right and right to left. So in this case, by default, we have left to right. So L to R. So left to right. Save this. Left to right means it will be same format like Sai Kumar Kurtivada. But if you keep in reverse, that is right to left, then it automatically reverse. That means it starts from right and ends at left. Let me go here and just reload this. You can see it is completely in reverse format. So that is how you can use your BDO tag. So whenever you want to reverse something, whatever the content you have, if you want to reverse completely, then you can use BDO tag. So that's about your BDO tag. Let me go into abbreviation tag. Already you know that abbreviation means full forms. So for example, let me go with abbreviation tag, and I want to give something like W www, that means World Wide Web. Let me save this and go here, just reload. You got this www, but most of the people doesn't know what is this www, so they want to understand the full form. So for that sake, there is an attribute called as title, which helps us to write a full form of that particular content. So now this is World Wide Web. So whenever we add a title to the abbreviation, let me reload. You saw that underline with a dotted border, and let me go here and see World Wide Web is shown on that particular tooltip. So this title will act like a tooltip, and once you add a title for this content, we will be getting an underline with a dotted line. So that's how this title and abbreviation will be helpful. So abbreviation is nothing but whenever you want to show some full names or a tooltip, that is the default browser tooltip, then you can use abbreviation with a title attribute. Let me save this, go to the notes, and let me go with address. So actually speaking, you can write the address manually with paragraphs and break statements, but this address will help us in search engine optimization and also to recognize semantic tags. So these are something like semantic tags, meaningful tags. So whenever you are defining an address in your HTML page, always recommend to write your address by using address tag. So let me use an address tag over here. Let me add a paragraph like address, or let me make it as permanent address. So let me add some content. So what happens if I add something like end of address here, okay, end of address, and if I add something here like let me go with a house number like 123, and I want to break this, and then I want to add something like street name, sample name, and let me add a break statement Hyderabad, and save this. Now what this address will do is it will do two things. One is it will add a particular break statement before this tag and after this tag. That means after this permanent address you will be seeing a line or a breakthrough, and before this paragraph end of address also you will see a line break. And also whatever the content you are writing inside this, by default it will be shown in an italic format. Let me go here and just reload. Now you can see there is a space here, there is a space here, and this complete content is shown in an italic format. Even without this address tag we can do that by using an italic tag, but that is not a semantic tag, it is only for styling purpose. Let me save this and reload. Now you can see the same thing, like we got an italic format and you have all this content over here. So it is always recommended to use a semantic tags whenever it is required. So let me go into the notes. Now the last one is site tag. So site tag is also a type of italic, but it is also a semantic tag. So what is the semantic tag will do? So let me add a site. So this site will help us to make our content as italic, the same thing, but it is recommended to use whenever you are writing a book name or a poem or a poetry, or you are trying to write about sculpture. So like that, whenever you are defining some creative knowledge, YouTube channel is a creative knowledge and Techshare SKK is a type of creative knowledge. So whatever the creative things you are doing, such type of things we can put it in site. So in this case, I'll treat Techshare SKK is my channel. So Techshare SKK YouTube channel. Save this. Now this Techshare SKK is a name and it is indicating a creativity of YouTube channel. So let me go here and reload. Now you can see Techshare SKK is in italic, and we can achieve this by using I tag also. But site is a semantic tag which especially used for creative words or creative statements. So that's why we are using this site. So these are some of the tags which are related to the quotations. So that's it for this video. In the upcoming video, we will see lot of things on lot of elements in HTML. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.